Any room, always a standing ovation, sir. Thank you so much. जावेद साहब, it's fascinating. और डांटिएगा मत, सोच के मैंने सवाल लिखा है कि आपने कभी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनी, You never stood on the border. लेकिन जब आप लिखते हैं, whether it is a संदेशे आते हैं, whether it is the title song of लक्ष्य, या ये गाना, एक और गाना है which everyone will get to experience. जावेद साहब, ऐसा लगता है कि आपने फौजियों के बीच वक्त बिताया है. वो जो महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो आप कैसे महसूस कर लेते हैं?
दोनों ही बातें हैं, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है, कुछ इमेजिनेशन है. आई हैव स्पेंड सम टाइम विद द आर्मी पीपल व्हेन आई इंटेंडेड टू while the Operation Vijay was on, I had gone there. The battle was on, and after 1 year, General Arjun Ray invited me on the first anniversary of Operation Vijay, and Daras, which is the second most cold inhabitable place in the world after Siberia, that is where they have made a Shaheed Samarak. And only 2 people addressed the army that day, Arjun Ray and me. And he was kind enough to give me all the facilities to go to different regiments and stay with them for a couple of days and so on. And I discovered that it is another world. We only know army by their uniform. It is a complete culture. It is a complete way of living. They are another people, and they are exceptional. There is so much to learn from them. So then I wrote Lakshya, and again went back to the officers and seniors and got it corrected, the vocabulary, the expression, and so on and so forth. So that was a big exposure. But I think every Indian has great respect for Indian Army. It is perhaps, I won't be exaggerating if I say, that today Indian Army is the most respected institution of this country. The most trustworthy. We respect our army, which is a fact. So, I mean, they were kind enough to give me so much time. And then when this offer came for writing lyrics for this, so obviously that experience which I got during Lakshya came handy to me.
ये जो 2 फिल्मों की हम बात कर रहे हैं, एक लक्ष्य जो 2004 में आई थी, एंड अब 2025 में 21 साल बाद 120 बहादुर, दोनों में एक बात समान है, दोनों में फरहान थे. उस फिल्म में बतौर डायरेक्टर, इस फिल्म में बतौर एक्टर, आप ही के लिखे हुए शब्द, एज अ फादर, एज अ राइटर, व्हेन यू सी योर सन लिविंग दोज इमोशंस परफेक्टली.
जी अब थोड़ा नेपोटिज्म तो होता है. नहीं हो सकता.
The only one with a shy smile was your son there.
It's nepotism in reverse.
Thank you so much, क्योंकि इस गाने से एटलीस्ट हमें ये समझ आया है, इसके जरिए ये समझ आया है that ये धरती सिर्फ जमीन नहीं होती है, ये माँ भी होती है. थैंक यू सो मच जावेद साहब, थैंक यू सो मच अमित, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू श्रेया घोषाल. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
I may or may not get this chance again, so I must use it, and I must congratulate Ritesh, the director, Farhan. I have seen the film and I am their worst critic. Generally they are not happy with me, but I must accept that they have made a very good film. Very good.
Farhan, we have heard 2 songs, लेकिन जब भी हम बात करते हैं courage की, and you look at all the films that you've done, वो courage वाली फिल्म, चाहे वो लक्ष्य हो, चाहे वो भाग मिल्खा भाग हो, या अब 120 बहादुर, it always feels more than a role. Is it a reflection of what you're feeling उन वीरों के बारे में जब आप ये रोल प्ले कर रहे थे?
गुड इवनिंग. हाँ, ये बात तो बिल्कुल जाहिर है, जब ऐसी कहानी मिलती है तो there is a fire that gets lit inside the heart, in the mind. I want to first, I mean, this is the release of the music, so I want to firstly just say thank you to Amit, to Salim Suleiman, and to these 3 wonderful boys, Amjad, Nadeem and Amir. You will meet them very, very soon, because they really have captured the mood of the film, of the events in the film. जो जज्बा होता है फिल्म का, जो भावनाएं होते हैं एक सिपाही की, they've captured it very, very well. और मेरा बस ये मानना है यार कि honestly, as a director or as an actor or as producers, you get very, very few opportunities to do something that is way beyond you,
Yeah.
that is way bigger than you.
Right.
You know, I feel very blessed that these opportunities have come. In the last 25 years of making movies, have come periodically, you know, in gaps of maybe 3 or 4 years. So I don't want to jinx it. You know, I just want to keep working hard and keep inspiring people like Rezi to make movies, and that when they write scripts like this, you know, that they know that there's somebody out there, you know, who will give his heart and soul to make sure that it's put together, made well. I want to also say lots of love to my entire cast. Most of them that are sitting here, Rashi who's sitting there. Really guys, it was impossible to do this without you all. मतलब जो camaraderie आप देखेंगे पर्दे पे, it's actually there, वो आपको यहाँ पर दिख भी रही है. It was impossible. We are truly a Paltan in the real sense. So thank you very much.
जब सुखी पाजी ने गाना शुरू किया एंड विजुअल्स अभी हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा कि 21 तारीख को, दिस इज द वॉर क्राई, दिस इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ द फिल्म. डू यू थिंक इट कैप्चर्स द एसेंस ऑफ दिस स्टोरी परफेक्टली?
यार अभी सुखी पाजी अपनी आवाज में जो भी कहेंगे it'll capture the essence of anything. जो भी आप कहेंगे. But seriously, I mean, दादा किशन की जय is the battle cry of Charlie Company, who were part of 13 Kumail, and that is praise be to Lord Krishna, right? So that's what it was, and that is the right feeling and the right blessing with which we should start this journey.
Absolutely. Sukhi Paji, Sulaiman Bhai, Farhan, I think you said what needed to be told. Dada Kishan ki jai, ye गाना आपने अभी सुना, जुनून जगाया है. What a powerful moment. A time for a picture with the three of you together. Take this. सुखी पाजी, आप कुछ कहना चाहते थे?
मैं जावेद साहब आ जाते अच्छा था.
अमित को भी बुला लीजिए.
हाँ जी. मैंने सलीम तो नाम अपना रख लिया, जावेद साहब नहीं रख सकता.
वो पैशन जो है वो साफ झलकता है जब आप गाते हैं.
इसमें सबका कंट्रीब्यूशन है. मुझे अभी भी याद है एक ऐसा नज़ारा देखने को मिला जो अक्सर मिलता है. जब गाना खत्म हुआ, वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग गाना कंप्लीट हुआ, फिर एक छोटी सी डिमांड आई और जावेद साहब को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि बिगिनिंग में कुछ ला सकते हैं क्या, कुछ साकी कहते हैं उसे, कुछ शेर, कुछ जज्बा. मेरे ख्याल से लेस देन 1 मिनट उन्होंने लाके लिख के सामने दे दिया. फिर मैं वहीं पे खड़े होके गाया. सलीम सुलेमान, आपने भी कहा ना सलीम, तो आप सलीम मेरे को कंसीडर कर सकते हैं.
क्या बात है.
है ना? तो